That should not happen. Someone needs to look into that quickly.
The company did not reveal any information in their report. Could it be fraud?
Who knows?
If this scandal is true, it is totally unfair to shareholders like us.
Who can help us?
Confidence in corporate reporting is the foundation for a healthy financial market, which is critical for Hong Kong to be recognized as a leading international financial center. The directors of listed entities are responsible for the preparation of financial statements that give a true and fair view. The auditors are responsible for expressing an opinion on the financial statements in accordance with auditing standards. The mission of the Financial Reporting Council is to enhance the quality of audited financial reports of listed entities in Hong Kong. There are four main regulatory bodies responsible for regulating corporate reporting of listed entities in Hong Kong. Each of them has their specific focus. The focus of the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, is on market quality and investor protection. The focus of the HKEX is on corporate governance and setting disclosure requirements. The Hong Kong Institute of Certified Public Accountants, HKICPA, currently sets relevant professional standards and regulates the accounting and auditing professionals. Being a vital part of the Hong Kong financial regulatory infrastructure, the FRC conducts inquiries into possible breaches of accounting standards by listed entities and also conducts independent investigations into possible auditing deficiencies.
Hong Kong's reputation as a major international financial center rests on the foundation of a solid regulatory regime. Our role within this regime is to promote high-quality financial reporting and international best practice in this regard, thereby providing better protection for investors in our capital market.
The FRC responds to complaints from both the public and other regulators who believe there may be accounting non-compliances in the audited financial reports issued by listed entities or auditing deficiencies in respect of such financial reports. The listed company will be requested to remedy any non-compliance with accounting requirements. Where the FRC identifies auditing deficiencies, it will refer its investigation conclusions to the HKICPA for follow-up, which may include disciplinary action against the relevant auditors. The FRC may also refer matters to other competent authorities, such as the HKEX and SFC, for follow-up.
Hong Kong is an international financial center and the world's leading capital formation center. International investors come here because they trust the quality of our market with a sound regulatory regime, international disclosure standards, and good governance structure. We are pleased to see the increasingly important role of the FRC in promoting best practices. We are working together to protect the interest of investors and to enhance Hong Kong's position as a world-class financial center.
The SFC and the FRC share the same mission to protect investors and crack down on market misconduct. While our powers are different, they're complementary. We work together closely and refer cases to one another so that each of us is in the best position to take action to protect our markets. The FRC plays an essential role in Hong Kong's regulatory system.
Integrity, independence and impartiality, proficiency, accountability and transparency are the core values of the FRC. The FRC is a non-government statutory body established in 2006 under the Financial Reporting Council Ordinance. Its governing body is the Council, of which the chairman and the majority of members are laypersons. All members are independent of the audit profession. Over the last decade, the FRC has handled approximately 400 complaints, completed 11 inquiries and over 50 investigations, and has referred 67 cases to HKICPA for follow-up.
I am extremely proud of the hard work, professionalism and dedication of the staff and our achievements since we commenced operations. The FRC has maintained close relationships with local and international regulators, such as the Ministry of Finance in the mainland, the UK Financial Reporting Council, and the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board in the US. We are currently in dialogue with the International Forum of Independent Audit Regulators, IFIAR, with regard to their admission criteria, and we are also monitoring any changes to the European Commission equivalence requirements. The FRC pledges to uphold its core values, and I am confident that we have laid a solid foundation to enable us to tackle any future challenges that may arise as a fully fledged regulator.
The global audit regulatory environment has evolved from self-regulation to being independent of the audit profession. The FRC commissioned and published 2 reports on international auditor oversight. The 2016 report shows that over 40 jurisdictions worldwide, including the UK and the US, are IFIA members and meet the European Commission EC regulatory requirements. Since 2011, China has also achieved EC regulatory equivalent status. Hong Kong is not part of either community.
As a matter of public interest, we have been unwavering in our commitment to pursuing the auditor regulatory reform, including making submissions to the government. We very much look forward to the tabling and ultimate passage of the reform legislation that is in line with the government consultation conclusions issued in 2015, so that Hong Kong can soon be recognized internationally as having an independent auditor regulatory regime for publicly listed entities.